Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. Today I am going to teach you a figure of speech. Before starting this topic, first we should know what is figure of speech. A figure of speech is a word or group of words used to give particular emphasis to an idea or sentiment. So, we can say that poetic devices are tools that a poet can use to create rhythm, enhance a poem's meaning, or intensify mood or feeling. So, here we can say that poetic devices are tools. Mostly, the poets use these tools to add meaning to the poem, to intensify the mood or feeling in their poem. At its most basic, a poetic device is a deliberate use of words, phrases, sounds, and even shapes to convey meaning. So, with the help of these poetic devices, the poet expresses their feelings, and for that they use words, phrases, sounds, etc. So, poetic devices are salt and pepper of writing. When used effectively, they add flavor and texture to their work, to the poet's work. So, if you consider your writing, whether it is an essay or poem, as a meal you are cooking. So, what happens when you cook your meal? You put ingredients in that to make it tasty. In the same way, the poet use poetic devices to make their poem more effective. Using good ingredients and a lot of care will make taste better, but adding a little additional will heighten its taste and look and texture. Means to say that during cooking, if we will put an appropriate amount of ingredients, that will make the taste better. But if excessive amount of ingredients would be added, then its taste may not be appropriate as it should be. So, we should add good ingredients and in proper amount, in appropriate amount. So is the case with the poetic device also. It should be remembered to use poetic device in moderation. Overuse will make it overpowering. Because just now, as I've explained you, that too many ingredients or too much amount of ingredients added to the food spoils its taste. In the same way, if the poetic device will be used, or means to say that overuse of the poetic device will make it overpowering. So, the poetic device should also be used in moderation. Writers commonly use literary devices in poetry to help make their points memorable. Thus, poets use poetic devices to first communicate a message. Whatever message they have to communicate, they used poetic devices to communicate the message. Makes their poem more interesting or beautiful. Thirdly, help the reader relate to or understand the poem. Then, help the reader visualize or imagine the poem. And lastly, show the importance of certain idea. So, the poet needs all these things, they use poetic devices to communicate a message, to make their poems more interesting or beautiful, to help the reader relate to or understand the poem, to help the reader visualize or imagine the poem, and to show the importance of certain ideas. So, poetic devices are used to do all these things. Thank you.